Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to accept friend request on Bingo Blitz. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to accept a friend request on Bingo Blitz, you must receive a friend request from another player. So if any player has requested to add you as a friend, then only you can accept their friend request. So in order to see that, here you can see the friend icon at the bottom left corner, tap on it. Now you are in the friend center. In order to check the friend request, here you can see the request icon, tap on it. As you can see, I have received one friend request. So it allows me to decline or accept this friend request. So you can tap on this accept button to accept the friend request. So there you go, you have successfully accepted the friend request you just received. That's it. It's a very easy process to accept friend request on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.